Menteri Rangba Kejela Konrad Sangmah nega sengi ula Plie Pyrda ya ke Water Smart Kids Meghalaya ke campaign jong ke skul hapo ke Jal Jivan Mission ringkat ke jing temu ban penslur bat ai jing hikai ki kena syapang ke jing penek pensa e ke bat ya ki jing tau ba em haka. Kani ke campaign kan penslur ki ban long ki nong ra tin siem haka liang ke jing penek pensa e ke haki snong ba ki syong kisa. Kasorkar nega sengi kala ai khusnam ru ya ki nong ri nong sumar ya ka kum ki snong ki thau ba ki dekhot jong ki snong na ka benta ka jing trei shitom ka jong ki banyada ya ki jing thau ba em ha aba ai jing kran ha ka nega sengi Menteri Rangba Kejela Konrad Sangma ulo ong ba lingba ka jing shem benta jong ki snong ki thau ban pentrei kam ya ka Jal Jivan Mission ka Meghalaya kala don lupa ha ka lenti ban long ka nong shem benta ka ba hadrong du ha ka nega scheme ha ka ri barok kawai. Menteri Ketenat PHE Markus Marak ru ulayaro Ketenat PHE bagakan huan jong ka Jal Jivan Mission na kabenta ka jing trei shitom ka jong ki ban pendam ya ka thong balabu.
We are looking at projects worth about 8,000 crores that is being implemented as we speak to preserve our water, preserve our environment, preserve our natural resources. What is important is now we have moved forward, now how to make it better. How to improve and make it even perfect. How to ensure that the water quality is there, the water source is there. So all of these aspects need to be examined, and it can only happen if the team works as a team and we work with a full commitment.
The sessions planned under this campaign are not mere lectures. They are interactive, educational, and most importantly, fun. They are designed to engage, enlighten and inspire our children to become advocates for water conservation in their respective communities. The impact of this initiative is not confined within the walls of classroom. It has the potential to echo throughout our society and beyond.